Welcome to the APT Pneumatic Portfolio video. Discover where industrial muscle meets precision engineering. Explore our range of high-performance pneumatic tools designed to power your most demanding tasks. As an authorized Festo channel partner, Murali Pneumatics curates this professional portfolio. Swipe through this video to explore our complete catalog of industrial-grade equipment. Since 1991, Murali Pneumatics has been a trusted backbone for industrial solutions in Coimbatore. We provide genuine Festo products, our complete APT heavy-duty line, and instant technical support via WhatsApp. Introducing the AD13, a heavy-duty workhorse. Designed with high-torque gearing for the toughest materials and an ergonomic D-handle, it is built to provide maximum downward pressure. For precision tasks, consider the AD6 SR. This inline driller features an easy-squeeze throttle for exact RPM control, making it perfect for aerospace and tight space assembly lines. In our air sander category, the AS125 delivers rapid surface preparation. It includes a 125mm pad, optimized for quick material removal, and a low-profile angle head for stable control. For heavy fabrication and aggressive grinding, the AS150 offers maximum material removal with an integrated suspension ring. It is the ideal upgrade when you need a wider footprint. Meet the ABS20, our narrow gap specialist. Engineered for corners and internal curves, its adjustable belt arm easily adapts to complex geometries for precision deburring. Our AG25 straight grinder provides high-speed agility. It is ideal for die contouring and light weld dressing, with a balanced housing designed to reduce operator fatigue. The AG50 offers extended reach and power. Its elongated spindle housing allows for safe and stable access when performing deep internal pipe grinding or heavy-duty casting cleanup. The AG 100 volts is a foundation of fabrication. This vertical grinder is the go-to tool for heavy weld leveling and structural steel preparation, featuring a high-visibility safety guard. For uncompromising power, the ASG 175 is built for foundries and shipyards. It features an oversized pneumatic motor block for non-stop operation and a dual-grip design for controlling immense torque. The AG 150 heavy-duty grinder provides specialized leverage and reach. Its unique architecture is designed for flat surface grinding, with a textured grip zone to dampen vibration. Finally, the AC42 Weld Flux chipper ensures clean, inspected welds through rapid slag removal. Contact us today via WhatsApp to get your quote and confirm shipping for any of our products.